Health benefits of basil. Basil is a herb from the mint family with various types, including sweet basil, Ocimum basilicum, popular in cooking, and holy basil, Tulsi. Used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Health benefits of basil. Rich in vitamin K. 2 tablespoons of fresh basil provide 18% of the daily value of vitamin K. Essential for blood clotting and bone health. Reduces oxidative stress. Basil contains antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and help prevent chronic diseases. Reduces inflammation. Compounds in basil essential oil, such as rosmarinic acid and caffeic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties. Prevents viruses. Some basil compounds may help prevent viral infections, although more research is needed. Basil supplements. Basil supplements are mainly made from holy basil and are suggested for managing inflammation, diabetes, and stress. Consultation with a doctor is advised before taking supplements. Risks of consumption. Consuming basil in usual amounts is safe, but those taking blood-thinning medications should be cautious. High doses of basil supplements may be dangerous. Consumption tips. Basil can be incorporated into the diet in various ways, such as adding to pizza, salads, pesto, and soups. Other uses. Basil oil may help treat acne and eczema, and its anti-inflammatory properties could assist in treating psoriasis. Basil is a popular herb that can be safely used in foods in a variety of ways, with the use of supplements requiring medical consultation.